In this quick guide, you'll learn how to restore a previous version of content in HubSpot. Whether you've accidentally made changes to your blog post, landing page, or website page, or just want to revert to an earlier version, HubSpot makes it straightforward to undo changes and go back to a version you're more comfortable with. Let's dive right in and see how you can restore content effortlessly. To begin, open the content you wish to restore in the editor. This could be a blog post, a landing page, or a website page. The editor is your starting point for accessing all the tools you'll need for editing and managing your content. Once you have your content open in the editor, direct your attention to the top left menu. Here you'll find a series of options, but what you want to focus on is the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down options, select View Revision History. This option is your gateway to viewing the entire history of changes made to your content. It's a handy feature that keeps track of every alteration, allowing you to review past versions and decide which one you might want to return to. Now, on the left sidebar, you will see a detailed list of all the saved versions of your content. They are organized by date, time, and the user who made the change. This chronological organization helps you easily navigate through the history of your content, providing context to each edit. If multiple users have worked on the content, this feature is incredibly useful for understanding who made specific changes and when. To preview a specific version, simply click on the timestamp associated with it. This will give you a glimpse of the content as it was at that particular point in time. It's important to take your time here and review the versions carefully to ensure you're restoring the right one. Consider what changes were made in each iteration and which version aligns best with your current needs. Once you've reviewed and found the version you want to restore, HubSpot makes it easy to bring it back. Simply click on Restore this version. By doing this, you're setting that specific version as the current one, effectively undoing any changes made after that point. This process is not only quick, but also reversible, meaning if you change your mind again, you can always return to the revision history and select a different version to restore. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully restored a previous version of your content in HubSpot. Whether you're correcting errors or simply reverting to a more effective version, HubSpot's revision history feature provides a powerful tool for managing your content with ease and confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself with these features to make content management a breeze. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you maintain your content with ease and efficiency. If you found this guide useful, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.